What's the meaning of annex? Annex. 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 Annex.
Annex refers to the act of adding something to an existing document, contract, or organization. It can also refer to taking control of a territory or country and making it part of your own. When a document is annexed, it becomes an official part of the original document. When a territory is annexed, it becomes under the control and authority of the annexing country. Annexation is often accompanied by controversy, resistance and conflict, as it involves the loss of sovereignty for the annexed territory, and can have significant political, economic and social consequences.